Find features that make it different from other brands. For DJiEX, 27-inch, curved monitor 100Hz computer monitor. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Immersive visual experience. Experience stunning visuals with this 27-inch gaming monitor Full HD, 1920x1080, monitor. Featuring a 100Hz refresh rate for smooth motion and a 3 millisecond response time that eliminates ghosting. The 300 nits brightness and 3000:1 contrast ratio ensure vibrant and clear images. Advanced eye care technology. This 27-inch monitor designed with your comfort in mind. This monitor includes a flicker-free display, FreeSync technology, a blue light filter to reduce eye strain, and an anti-glare coating to minimize reflections for a comfortable viewing experience. Versatile connectivity. This 27-inch monitor equipped with HDMI and VGA ports, and including an HDMI cable, this monitor offers easy connectivity to PCs, laptops, and more. Ergonomic and sleek design. This 27-inch monitor ergonomic design includes a stable stand with -5 degrees to 20 degrees tilt adjustment and 178 degrees wide viewing angle for optimal viewing comfort. It's also VESA Compatible, 75x75mm, for flexible mounting options and features a 3-sided frameless ultra-slim design for seamless multi-monitor setups. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.